Hey, good morning. Rory Powers, Right Line Trading. Before we get started, this broadcast is for demonstration educational purposes only. It's important to know I am not a licensed financial advisor, nor am I offering any type of trading advice here today. Solely for educational purposes only. If you're not familiar with the risks associated with trading, please consult with a licensed financial advisor. All right. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, Mike. Tell a dad joke. What do you call cheese that isn't yours? Nacho cheese. Good morning, Mike. Happy New Year, my friend. 2026 is knocking on our doorstep. Big fireworks shows tonight. Let's take a look at the Forex Factory. Today is December 31st, the last day of the year. If you're with us today, well, hallelujah, that's the good news. Any day above ground is a blessed day. Just think, it could be the alternative. Not a good day. So you are still in the game. In it to win it. Let's do it. December 31st, last day of the year. We're going to be kicking off the new year. We're not going to be broadcasting tomorrow. Obviously, the stock markets are closed. The stock market is closed. But before we get ahead of ourselves, this morning at 8:30 we had the unemployment claims. What we do each morning, if today's your first day joining us, welcome. I'm Rory Powers. I'm with Right Line Trading. We're going to be showcasing some very powerful automated bots here today. Before we get started each day, we look at the Forex Factory. It's a very news-driven market. We don't want any unpleasant surprises. Ever have one? Not fun. We don't want to be in a trade during a red folder report, right? It's very risky. This morning at 8:30, the unemployment claims came out. I always like to see, well, what was the news? Inquiring minds want to know. The U.S. Unemployment Insurance Weekly claims. U.S. average for jobs fell below 200,000 last week, with layoffs historically low. So they are down. Jobless benefits fell. Less people trying to collect, which was a positive report. And coming up at 10:30 is crude oil inventories. All right. Maybe we got a catalyst event with crude oil. We'll have to keep an eye on that at 10:30. Other than that, it's a pretty wide open calendar. I always like to see what the market environment looks like prior to us starting. And you could see yesterday, starting at about 11:35, the market had a pretty big sell-off on the NASDAQ, all the way to this morning, to about the London Open. And starting at the London Open, we're starting to get a big retracement. Filling in that gap. On the E-mini, the 8-unit Renko is a little tough to see it, but we'll squeeze it. The E-mini was on a tear. Last week. Today, very much like the NASDAQ, it started out dropping and now it's retracing. Last day of the year. Let's see which way they push the market. What we do is we run these bots through the overnight session. We run them through the Asian Open, the London Open, and now when the New York Stock Exchange is getting ready to begin, we have what we call our leaderboard. These are the what have you done for me latelys. All right? If you made money last month, well, we were very grateful back then. But that's not going to do us much good today. Today is the key word. We need to get paid today. Amen? So these are our vehicles, our vessels that we believe will provide us with the best opportunity to do so. The ES30 range one-day pass. How many mornings in a row now? My goodness. Making a believer out of me, let me tell you. If I was going to play a one-day pass, I think I'd be nuts not to pick the ES30 range, right? And we always make data-driven decisions. Data-driven decisions. So I always like to go to my trade performance. I'll look the month of December. What do I mean by the trade performance? NinjaTrader has a very powerful trade performance metric. On my control center, new trade performance. This will pop up. And we can look from December 1st to the 31st. Click generate. Every single one of our bots comes out of the box in their own separate SIM account. Why? So we can get a historical trade performance of each individual bot. So if we look up the ES30 range one-day pass, by looking at this, you would say, it's a break-even strategy. But remember, this is a little bit different. This is a pass or fail trade. Okay, this is an all or nothing, a go for the gusto. So this is actually phenomenal. Okay, why do I say that? Because the win percentage is 61%. What does that mean? That means 6 out of 10 evaluations that I buy, potentially statistically this month would have passed 6 out of 10 of them. Now this is trading. We don't guarantee that. Obviously you could lose 10 in a row. You may win 10 in a row. But statistically this month, this bot gave you a 60% chance of passing an eval in just one trade. When there's huge discounts like we're seeing now, 90% off. You buy 10 evals, and if you pass 6 of them, well, hey, you're going into the new year with 6 vehicles to get payouts that you made very quickly. No muss, no fuss, very painless. Hey, good morning, Rao. Good morning, Mike. Good morning, Duke, the Dukester. Silver margin, the call bank missed. Silver's been going up like gold. Up, and away. You could do it with our tool, Mike. Our tool, you're able to do that. Good morning, Ken. God bless you, Doctor. Dr. Hanson in the house. Good to see you, sir. God bless you as well. All right, so we've got our leaderboard, our ES50, our ES30 range, 50,000, one-day pass, scored again. The NQ Leapfrog, man, that one's been doing really well this week. ABC Star on the 30 range, Moneymaker 30 range ES. Power Play, my MNQ. I love to trade that bot. We got 1 minute. I'm going to put it on the MNQ Power Play. On my trade copier, I've got my MNQ Power Play. I'm going to take off my PAs with a holiday shortened week. I don't want to take any big drawdowns on a live account. I don't want to take any big drawdowns on any account. There we go. Good luck, everyone. Let's see if we can find something. Good morning, Duke. No, listen, this is what I love to do. We got decent volume at the open. Real likes to play the opening bell. It's been working out good. I'll tell you, the last must be 5 or 10 sessions. It seems like the market just pops to the upside right at the opening bell. 2:30. Now this power play strategy on my 30 range over here, one of the conditions in order for it to trigger a trade is we need a multi-time frame alignment of trend with our 20 Unirenko, which we have right now long. Market structure wise, I'm set up on my higher time frame for a long entry. Nothing doing yet. Nothing doing yet. Leapfrog is in a trade. It's taking some heat. Must have taken a loser there. Haymaker's in short. Could get a short roll here if our 20U breaks below that 50. Got some running room to the downside, that's for sure. Watch that power play short. Well, I like the looks of that. I'm going to try it for, I'm going to enable it for a short roll here. I know we're bouncing off the 50 on the 20 Unirenko. But that 30 range chart looks like it's ready to drop. You're going to go the other way. Our ES30 just took off. long. Decent volume. We got 5,000 contracts a minute. I'm going to try to catch this move to the long side here. My RSI line is pinned to 100%. It's just bouncing all over the place. The best spot on the E-mini is copying the leapfrog, the scalper leapfrog. Watch the short roll on the 30 range. We're a little late to the party, but we're in it. Come on down. Okay, no risk. Let's see if we can get into a leapfrog. Push down. Push down. Come on down. Come on down. Come on. Get in my leapfrog. Little further. Little further. Oh, boy, it tried, didn't it? Come on down. Come on, pop down. Get my window. Get in that window, baby. There we go. Hit it. Now run, run. Run, Forrest, run. All right. We might want to jump straight back into this one. That ES8U scalper. Let's keep an eye on that. The haymaker caught a monster. Caught a full winner. It's up 1332. That haymaker's no joke. Gets in those moves early. You could see where the haymaker got in, right here on that second candle. Right here. Hold on just a second. I got someone very persistent calling. Okay, sorry about that. Mr. Kushner must not be trading today. Let's try to get one more short entry here. Here we go. Look at that ES leapfrog. Caught a monster. Oh yeah, it just hit the profit window too. So it locked in a really nice profit on that ES8U. What a beautiful short entry it took, huh? About 3,500 contracts a minute on the MNQ. Market went sideways on us. Ooh, that's set up nicely. I'm going to enable my 30 range. Momentum is pinned to the downside on my 20U. David Wise calls this a compression zone. Consolidation, an area of consolidation, a sideways market. And the volatility builds up and it pops one way or the other. In this case, we're hoping it to pop to the downside. We got some running room right to support. Or who knows, maybe it's forming a bottom right here. Here comes a short entry. Let's try to take it right down to support. Nope. Just under 4,000 contracts a minute. Got crude inventory at 10:30. Let's see if we can get one little short roll right here to right down to support. Let's see. Come on. Give me some follow through to the downside. Come on down. Come on down. Nice short roll. Let's go. Come on, right down to support. Duke, who's watching the Steven bot. Just under 4,000 contracts a minute. Come on down. Let's take a leg. Come on. Come on. A little further. Got out on the line change, I think. I thought it was going to go right down to support for sure. That ES got out and it's right back in. Oh, here it goes again. See if we get a signal C. Just enabled all the iBots. So now we got the full portfolio running. Oh, we're back in short. Let's see if we can get some follow through the downside. Come on, break through support. Ah. Come on down. I'd like to move my profit target right above support. I should have done it sooner. I would have never taken this loss. Let's see if we get the Mack truck and the power play in. This has to be on the MNQ. MNQ Mack truck. Ooh, it's down 500. Forget it. This might be the pullback we need on that ES 8U. Let's go for the gusto. What do you say? Let's try to enable that ES 8U. There's the power play short. Give it a little room here. Come on. Take a short roll. Why this thing? It's right on the 50. Momentum is headed down. Just a risky entry. Yep. I didn't like that entry to begin with. All right. Now we got our work cut out for us. We're going to play the ES on a short roll. I got it enabled. Meanwhile, I think this power play is going to go long. And the Mack truck. Nope. Mack truck just went short. My ES is going to jump in very shortly. This continues down. Oh, that was a nice entry on the Mack truck. Let's see where we are on the ES8U. We need this to come down. Well, if we're coming into support. Let's give it a shot. The Haymaker's having a great session. The Sniper is up on the board. The NQ best spot in the green. The ES best spot in the green. Come on, let's get a nice short roll here. Get me in the ES and the NQ short. Try to end the year with a bang. Just need the market to cooperate with us just a little bit. Come on down. $10:30, we got the crude oil inventory report. The market is losing steam as we sit here and watch it. We went from just under 4,000 contracts a minute. Right now we're just under 2,000. So the volume just cut in half on us. Oh, just jumped in short. Let me move my profit goal right here. Come on down. Get my window now. Jeez. Did that 3 times already. Unreal. My daughter. I hear in the background. Her big sister's home from school for the Christmas holiday. She loves having her here to play with. Come on, get in my window. All right. Come on down. Push through support. Come on down. Ah, darn. Oh, I'm in the ES trade. Let's disable this. I'm in the ES trade. Let's go to the ES. That leapfrog. The ES. Here we go. Need one little short roll here through support. One short roll is all we need. Come on, push through support. Come on, break through support. Let's go. Let's take a ride down. Come on, one break of support. Let's go. Take one run down. We need a good stiff breeze right in our backs. We're stuck. We got crude inventory coming out at 10:30. Right behind me here on YouTube is professional options trader David Wise. He's going to be trading the SPY Super System. Come on, one more short roll. Let's go. Come on down. Boy, this market is terrible. Might be best just to close out everything. Becoming untradeable. Come on. One push down through support. Yeah. Market's kind of dead right now. I'm watching the volume. It's now we're down to 1,500 contracts a minute. I was hoping the NASDAQ would drift down to support. The Dukester. Come on down. Come on down to support. Haymaker's back in. Market's just flat. There it goes. Unreal. Unreal. Look at that. Right as I close the trade. Yep. Right now it's testing support. Wow. Here goes the leaderboard. Starting to light up a little bit with this little tiny move to the downside. That's all it took. Man, I can't believe I closed that ES trade. What was I thinking? Boy, that MES star drill must have hit a monster. It's up 120 on the micros. The iBot Best Bot, MES Best Bot is up $14. Retirement plan. Let's see where we're at on the 20 Unorenco. Way below the 50. Look at that. This ES8U might continue to run. This takes a short roll here. 8U Steven is up 574. Haymaker 1569. NQ Best Bot. Let's see which one it's copying. Looks like the retirement plan. So the Best Bot is on the retirement plan. Oh, it's long. Wow. Unreal. The retirement plan went long. Well, listen, price is right at the 50. That ES8U was the trade. Hindsight is always 50-50. When the market went sideways right here, I said, oh man, it's time to get out of this thing. And then it took that break down, and it's up 250. Maybe Valentino's in. Last session of 2025, I was hoping. Well, you know what? We got one last chance on crude oil. If this market doesn't start moving, we've got crude inventory coming up at 10:30. Boy, oil, the price of oil, gas, crude oil's gone way down. It was trading at 50, 58, $58 a barrel yesterday. Where's my, I'm going to put gold as crude oil. Here's my gold chart. Oh, wow. Look at this 8U. This ES8U, I closed out of the trade. It's up 350 now. And the market's starting to melt away. Let me get my copier back. Where am I? Here it is. Just got a big spike in volume. Oh, man. Look at that. Oh, wow. It's in a monster trade, too. Broke through support. Yeah, crude's trading at about $58 a barrel. Let me find my crude oil strategy. The ES8U jumped right back in short. put something together for the crude oil. Crude's got very low volume, under 100 contracts a minute right now. RJ. Going to take a play on the crude oil. Okay, we got our crude chart ready to go. It's going to trade on a 10 range. There's almost no volume on crude. We got crude oil coming up in 3 minutes. 3 minutes. What I did was I made some adjustments to the 1-day pass template. So it trades one contract. Crude's trading at $58, $58.12 a barrel. Let's see if we get a spike in volume. I want to wish everybody a very happy new year. I hope you see a beautiful fireworks show tonight. And the coming year is a healthy, most important, healthy, happy, prosperous new year. Very excited for what lies ahead. Going to have some great trading opportunities. The volume just not even moving on crude. Please, on your way out the door, if you would like my video, I'm going to be back on Friday. We won't be trading live on YouTube, I don't believe. If that changes, I'll put a message in Discord. But we are going to do a presentation on the AI auto on Friday. Yesterday we did it on both the AI and the iBot. Crude inventory in 1 minute. Hey, Mike, no, that's your prerogative, my friend. It's all good. It's New Year's. This is like the George Costanza. You hit dislike, it means you really like it. Here we go. Here comes crude inventory. Let's see if it takes a short roll. Let's try to get one on crude. Let's put it on the right account so we see it. We got a nice spike in volume. It's at 350. Let's see what the crude inventory report was. Let's go to the Forex factory. Come on down. See if we can get a signal B here. Good volume, 700 contracts a minute. We're setting up for a signal B short. Thousand contracts a minute. We're trading crude on a 10 range candle. The forecast was half a million, and the actual was negative 1.9 million. Okay, excuse me. Champagne sales have surged. price of champagne. Excuse me. Okay, sorry about that. The price of champagne has gone way up for New Year's. Champagne sales are surging. Well, it was a bit of a dud of a report. didn't uh, didn't move the market very much, did it? Yeah, Duke. I'll probably be here. I'll probably be around on Friday. Hey, we just got into a trade. I didn't even know I was enabled. Oh, no, it wasn't crude. The power play. We got into the, and we're in crude. We did get into a crude trade here. Now it's retracing. It's just you, Mike. Okay, last trade, last trade. Let's see how it goes. Last trade of the year. We've got one on the power play and we've got one on crude oil. Come on down. Push down further. Come on. Ah. Don't forget, coming right behind me is David Wise. He's our options trader. He usually comes on about 11:30. Happy New Year, everybody. Come on down. Come on down. Push a little further. Get my window. A little further. There you go. That's what I needed. All right. Yeah, I got into the crude trade. Excuse me. But there's no volume on crude. I'm gone. That's the way it ended for me. 2025. Not taking any big drawdowns today. Down $70 or $80. And turned out to be a great year. Let me put my final P&L. From January to December 31st on the PA accounts. Watch that crude trade drop like a rock now. Okay, let's see what we got here. There it is. That's how it ended up. 45,391. Best year ever trading futures by a long shot for me. 45,391. January to December. All right, I want to wish everybody a blessed New year. Even you, Mark Sachs, Mike Roach. Okay, Mark Sachs. God bless you, man. I forgive you. I forgive you, Mike. Please, on your way out the door, if you would, please like my video. You're just jealous, Mark. You could never do it. Yeah, Mark Sachs. If you want, I could show some replays of your trading. Jealousy. We still love you, though. God bless you. Have a happy new year, everybody. We will be back, God willing, in 2026. If you would, please like my video here on YouTube. We've got David Wise coming up right behind us. I want to wish everybody a happy new year. Let me just show you real quick why this person, Mark Sachs, is doing what he's doing. It's all a matter. I'll show you. Mark Sachs, the big loser in the court battle, filed lawsuits against Sergio and Mark Miller and was proven to be a con, a fraud upon the court. That's what all of this anger and hate is all about. It's time to get over it, Mark. Move on with your life. God bless you. You lost. You're paying everyone's court costs, and you're wasting everybody's time with all of your hate. Okay, that was my last message I'll ever say to you. Well, listen, it's important that if anybody wants to read what Mark Sachs did, it's all public record. There's a 141-page motion, and he perpetrated a complete fraud on the courts with all of this talk and nonsense. And it's really sad, Mark. Get on with your life. I forgive you. I've got no animosity or hate towards you, but it's time to move on. Happy New Year, everybody. So long, everybody. Have a great new year. Happy New Year. I hope everybody has a blessed new year. And we'll be back on Friday. This is the last time ever that I will address Mark Sachs on any of my live streams. He doesn't deserve the attention or the satisfaction. I don't get caught. I don't want any of that hate. It's like poison. And I only pray that he finds some love in his heart. I promise I'll never bring it up again. I'm really sorry, everybody. Have a blessed rest of your day. So long.